So hi guys, so kakatapos lang ng race natin this 5th round of Philippine Superbike Championship dito sa Batangas Racing Circuit. So it was a good race for me even though hindi natin nakuha yung first in pre-final and final race, but still it was a good race and a good battle with TJ. Still on a learning curve, but we will not stop doing things na mas makakabuti sa takbo namin and for the team. Wala akong masabi sa team ko. Thank you so much to my team, sa lahat ng sumusuport sa akin, sa buong crowd, sa lahat ng fans. Thank you so much. Thank you sa lahat ng sponsors na naniwala sa akin. So, I will do my best this coming race. Thank you so much, especially Boss Charlie, sa pag-provide ng napakagandang paddock namin every race dito sa Batangas, sa Clark. So, thank you. Aprilia Caloocan, Motul Philippines, Alpine Stars, Sumi Helmet, Biker Box, TW Steel, 326 R&B Racing Team, Millhouse, Baga Burger, our official tool, Top Tools, thank you. Of course, Imprint Custom for our customized shirt, team uniform. Lahat ng kailangan namin sa race, na pati yung race matting, thank you. Q-Stars, La Fermar Private Resort, YSS Suspension Philippines, SBH Virgo, SSS Sprocket, Hack PH, Innovator, Amen Jewelry, Visualize, shop natin, MM189 Superbike Track Parts and Services. To my group, GP Boys, thank you for supporting me. And syempre, Green Lab, thank you for coming every race, for providing the sobrang gandang video natin. And see you sa final round of Philippine Superbike Championship sa Clark International Speedway. Let's go!